Welcome, today I've heard of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings application and tap on the network and internet. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just click here once to activate Wi-Fi on your device, and after that we can see here all the available networks which we can just connect. For example, let's go with this network. Just here enter the password, and after that we can see here we can just click once on this checkbox to see the password to have now some mistakes. For example, now I'll just do it out of screen. After that, just we should click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more network just to add the password, just to save the password, and after that you can switch between these two networks. For example, if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel somewhere here. You will find the Wi-Fi icon. It's always it's here. In my case it's here too. You can see, just click once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon. After that, just select the network, enter the password, click to connect, and that's it. Then you can just turn on the Wi-Fi by the same way, just by click here once on this icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.